Welcome to a short video on the calculation of beta in the capital asset pricing model. Now on your screen you can see I've already obtained the data. I obtained it from Yahoo Finance under the historic data section. Here I can get my data and download it to an Excel spreadsheet. Now, I generally use weekly data over the past 3 years. Finally I use the adjusted close since the data is already adjusted for stock splits and dividends. Now once I have the data, I have to find the percent return for each data point. I use this by using the math calculation to determine the percent change from day to day. Go ahead and enter the cell, divide by the next day, and subtract 1. And I get the percent change. Now what I do is I grab the fill bar here and I pull it down all the way to the end. Don't do the last one because I need 2 points and I would only have 1. You need 2 for a percent change. Do the same thing here, and F4 equals C4 divided by C5 minus 1. Enter. Grab the fill bar here, pull all the way down. Now once I have my data in, I'll occupy this cell for beta, and all I have to do now is go to the formulas and look for more functions, statistics, and all I'm going to find is the slope here. Important here, you have to understand that the y, the dependent variable, is the stock price. So I'm going to grab here and just pull down. Go back to the top. Occupy the X with the S&P 500. The S&P 500 data is obtained the same way as I did the stock price. Just go to the S&P 500 and weekly data, adjusted close here. And now here's my beta, 0.798663931. Now you can also do it using regression analysis. Now watch the video on add-ins if you have yet to add regression analysis to the Excel. If you've already added it in, just use the Data tab, Data Analyzer, and find regression. Again, the same thing. Your Y range will be your stock price. And your X range will be the S&P 500. Let's go back to the top. Grab here, pull down. And the x-intercept should be your beta here. Whoops. Let's try that once again. Sorry about the delay. Try it one more time. Here we go. Occupy that cell. Go to the top one more time. Grab. Hit OK. Give me some room here. And there's my beta, the X variable, 0.798663931 again. We can also look at the R squared. If we look at the R squared, we get 48.4%, which is actually good. Most betas are usually around 32%. Now you don't have to calculate beta. Merrill Lynch publishes a beta book, and the Value Line publishes betas as well. And in addition, Yahoo Finance under Key Statistics will also have the beta, and we can check our beta, which was 0.79 with Yahoo's given, which is 0.87. Probably Yahoo is taking it from Merrill Lynch beta book, and they usually use 60 months. I use 36 months.